Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Outgoing Speaker and Governor-Elect in Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, has attributed the many achievements recorded under his leadership to the cooperation and support of members of the State House of Assembly. Right Honorable Oborevwori made the remark during plenary when the House recently passed 5 executive bills into law.
Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly and Governor-in-Waiting, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, recently presided over plenary where some 5 executive bills were passed into law. The new legislations include High Court Amendment Law 2023, College of Health Sciences and Technology Law 2022, Delta State Polytechnic Burutu Law 2023, Delta State Thanksgiving Day Law 2023, and Creative Industry Development Law 2023. Right Honorable Oborevwori, who appreciated his colleagues for their dedication to duty, urged them to stay the course as legislative proceedings in the 7th Assembly winds down in a matter of weeks.
The 7th Assembly has done very well in lawmaking, limitation of constraints and oversight of other hands of government. On this note, I would like to express my appreciation to honorable members for their unflinching support to the leadership of the House. Together, we have felt the House an enviable height in the Committee of State Houses of Assembly in the country. We stand tall. Distinguished colleagues, we should remember that we are at the last lap of the 7th Assembly. Let us endeavor to conclude on all outstanding legislative assignments in our various committees.
The Governor-Elect, who goes down in history as the longest-serving Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, has superintended over legislative proceedings leading to the passage of several other bills in over 6 years. Come May 29, 2023, he will be serving Delta State in an executive capacity and will as such not be in the 8th Assembly. The outgoing Speaker appealed to his colleagues to extend the same support and goodwill to enable him implement his development blueprint to take the state to greater heights. The Creative Industry Development Law is intended to create a special fund to provide incentives for creative entrepreneurs who are bound in Delta State. While moving a motion for its passage during plenary, Majority Leader of the House, Honorable Ferguson Onwo, added that the new legislation would contribute to the economic growth of Delta State.
The import of the bill, Mr. Speaker, is to create a fund called the Creative Development Fund, which will serve as a buffer stock for small industries, for the creative industries world to thrive. Mr. Speaker, when passed into law, the bill will serve as a catalyst for the creative industries and the industrial growth of Delta State in general.
The newly enacted Creative Industry Development Law 2023 is being greeted with jubilation by entertainers in Delta State who have attested to the innovative spirit of the Delta State House of Assembly under the leadership of Right Honorable Oborevwori. Ace stand-up comedian Godwin Komoni, popularly known as Godons, and Nollywood actor Mike Ezuronye gives kudos to the outgoing Speaker for providing a legal framework that would unleash the potentials of entertainers and grow the entertainment industry in Delta State.
Before the election, he promised us that he was going to carry the entertainers along. He promised us that he was going to create a place for us. He hasn't even started yet as a governor. He's already doing what he promised. This is the kind of leader that we need, not only in this state, but in this country, who will say a thing and do exactly what he promised.
With this bill being approved and done, it gives the entertainers more confidence because we can now promote the state as a brand that should be. I mean, here should be a hub for entertainment. I mean, people should be coming, just like we have the Universal Studios and we have Hollywood. This is where people should be coming here. Of course, it's in anticipation of the best to come in the nearest future for your government and, of course, the entertainers as well.
As Governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Oborevwori intends to replicate his achievements in the legislative arm of government with the implementation of his comprehensive development strategy, which is designed to bring about meaningful development, opportunities for all, realistic reform, as well as enhanced peace and security in the oil-rich state.
Inside the Niger Delta,